wild one. Okay, so if you clicked on this video because of the title, so that means you're also somebody just like me. You have Instagram, YouTube, and you're trying to gain subscribers, followers, but it's been so long and you're still not getting it, you're not getting anywhere. So therefore, you're here to watch what I have to say or to listen to what I'm saying. So thank you for being here, first of all. So watch till the end, and trust me, you're not going to regret it, man. I'm not going to be sitting here and telling you, oh, do this technique, do that technique, or you got to post like this. No, none of that. Listen, I was recently complaining to a friend of mine, and what he gave me as a trick was the best. It worked immediately, and mind you, I only tried this on Instagram, so therefore this video is going to be only for Instagram, okay, no other social media. So my channel, I've had it for over a year now. My Instagram, my followers was not that crazy, and I wasn't that active either. Just recently I came, but still I'm putting a lot of content, but it was just not moving anywhere. So therefore I'm complaining, I'm watching so many videos and I'm trying all that and nothing seemed to work. So I posted a video on Instagram saying, this is what I'm doing. So if, I'd love to, get some followers. So a friend of mine from India saw that video and then he contacted me. The trick that he gave me, so what I'm giving you right now is a trick. It's not a technique, it's a trick. Okay, so watch till the end. So if you are somebody who's following, say, oh, by the way, prior to me trying this out, my follower count was 42. And right now, in the last 3 days, I'm at 147 or something, or 50, something like that, on there, right? It's getting faster, it's going. So what he told me was this: if you are following any big channels, okay, on Instagram, and when they post a video, within the first hour or two, they get maybe 20,000 likes or 50,000 likes, whatever, right? And mind you, you have to do this to the videos that are maybe within the first 2-3 hours, maximum I would say 6 hours. Okay, that's when they're still active. Go to their like section and start following everyone who actually liked that big video. Okay, and if you do that to say maybe 50-60 people, you like them. I know it's random, but then out of those 50, maybe 10 or even 15 might like you back in return or follow you back in return. Now, in doing so, what happens next is not only they're going to follow you back, but they also want to check out who you are, and they're going to go check out your content, and they might find something interesting and they're going to start liking it, and that's going to be your kickstart. When my friend told me to try this, after I hung up with them, I tried it immediately, and man, the way how my followers were going up was absolutely amazing. And the important thing to do this is make sure that you keep your account in private first, because say those who are following you, you don't want you don't want to give everything right away. Let them get their curiosity, so you will accept them. Okay, so keep your account private. The second thing is make sure that your account is not under business account, but it's personal. Okay, so that's number 2. And when they're gonna follow you and you see that, just just send them a thank you or just send them a hi, just to show that you're active. And I've done this, man, it works like crazy. So let me repeat again. So big channels, when they post, go to that video right away and like all those people who liked those videos. They will like you back in return. Keep your account private and make sure it's a personal account and not a business account. Setup, when I'm saying this for setup. Try this. If it doesn't work, you can definitely cuss me up on this video. I will take it. If it works, please say a thank you and just mention that it worked for you or not. Okay, thank you. And you won't find any video like this on YouTube, so that's why I decided, okay, let me put this out there with the permission of my friend.